Oh yeah, the coffee jitters. I know exactly what you're talking about. I've had that many times doing these videos. I'm just like, oh my god, I've had too much caffeine. Especially when you had a lot of alcohol the night before. Oh boy, beer brain the next day. Jesus Christ. Anyway, yeah, things went well, and let's get back to playing this sequence with no stops. Finish out this idea. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good Lord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Number 2. Gonna start getting rhythmic again. So every bar, different rhythm. See if you can figure out the count first. Break it down into as many small pieces as you need to. But what we basically have here, actually, let me change how this is looking. All right, so this way a little bit easier to see because basically we have those areas on the fretboard every 2 bars. So like the first group of notes, we have this. And then the next 2 bars, we have this. And then we have this. So getting familiar with what the notes are without the rhythm, good place to start. And then when you're ready, work on applying the rhythm. So like 2 bars at a time for this would be good because of how the notes are grouped together. All right, 60 coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was not right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Oh boy, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I question something. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. Number 3. Again, every bar is different. Rhythm pattern that we covered with the chords and the single note picking. So with the legato, we're not using a bunch of tied eighth notes to make it easier to see the downbeats and upbeats, because it actually turns into a giant mess when you look at it. So we just got to be careful on how we're thinking about the way everything's spaced. So that's why, again, why we have the count up here, so you can try and line up everything in this eighth note count, or the eighth note grid. So we got your quarter note, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note. So you got to think, like, how long does all that stuff ring out for? So we have the quarter note, so we're coming in on 1. The next is an eighth note. So we just did a quarter note, so that means it takes up 2 of these. So then we play on the 2, which is an eighth note. So then the next thing has to come in on the upbeat of 2, which is a quarter note. So that's going to take up 2 of these. So yeah, you're playing on the upbeat of 2, and then that rings out across the downbeat of 3. So you play again on the upbeat of 3 and downbeat of 4. So we got 1, 2, and 4. And then we have 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. Now here we do have a tied eighth note. That's because it goes across the bar line. We have to do a tied note because of the bar. We don't have enough room for a quarter note at the end here. So here we're coming in on the and of 1s. We got and 2, 3, 4, and done. All right, here we go. Oh, and also, yeah, note-wise, again, getting the note structure down first, always a good idea. So basically we're doing pentatonic and sliding up into the next octave. So going up 1, basically like covering 2 full octaves there. So hitting that A note, if it was standard tuning, 3 different octaves. So we're going from A to A to A, and then back down. And then get rhythmic with it. So just be careful with the muting stuff. Keep it as clean as you can. You will have to change how your hand is held and positioned, especially on the lower strings. So when you hear noise or notes and chords on accident, things like that, stuff that we don't want, just keep making small adjustments with your hand until it sounds correct on the different strings. So if that means doing it for a while without the metronome, do that. Let's get that technique solid. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is that. All right. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.